Good morning students. Today's topic is consolation tournament, seeding methods and special seeding. So first of all we will talk what is called consolation tournament. It provides the chances to the defeat teams to play again and show their performance and win separately. As we know that sometimes the good teams get eliminated from the tournaments by any reasons, or maybe in the good teams we can say are eliminated from the first round only. For them only these types of tournament are going to be made. So as we know the consolation tournaments we can talk now. One additional chance is given to the defeated teams. As we know, those who are going to lose the first round match, only they are going to get the chance to play separately. The winner is declared from the defeated teams. As we know, the only winners are declared from the defeated teams. That means, suppose that in the round 1, 5 teams has lost the match. Among the 5 teams, one team is declared as a winner. Now, we'll come to the type of consolation tournament. Type 1. The team defeated in the round first are allowed to participate. As we know, the point number 1 is, it is very clear, the team, those who lost in the first round in the match or tournament are allowed to participate in the consolation tournament. Point number 2. New fixture is prepared. For them there will be a special fixtures for the loser team. According to the fixtures they will play the match. Third point. The teams who did not get the bye earlier are given bye now. Suppose that the 5 teams are in the losing first round. The out of 5, as per the byes are given to them, those who have not got the bye in the first round. Type 2. The team defeated in all the rounds are given additional chance. There you can see the point number 1, type 1, and point number 2 is completely different. In the type 2 consolation tournament, are defeated teams are played all the rounds are in an additional chance. That means if in the type 1 only those who are lost in the first round are going to play the match among themselves, and in the type 2 those who are going to lose the second round, third round or fourth round, they will also play among themselves and declare as a winner. Now we will see the example. Consolation tournament type 1. See, we have taken the number of the team is 9. As we know the rules of dividing the team in the 2 halves, the upper half will be more number and the lower half will be less. So you can see here the upper half will be the 5 teams, lower half will be the 4 teams. As we know the rules of the taking out the bye. So number of the team is 9. So 2 per power. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. So 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. That means the 7 bye is given in this tournament. So as we know the rules or methods to fix the bye. The first bye is given to the lower half, last team is first bye, and the second bye is given to the upper half, first team. Third bye is given to the lower half of the sixth team, and the fourth bye is given to the upper half of the last team. Okay, the same way fifth bye is given to the 8 number, 6th bye is given to the 2 number, and 7th bye is finally given to the 7 number. So in the first round only 3 and 4 will play the match in the winner. suppose that 3 is the winner, 4 has got the bye. So 3 and 4 will play together, and 3 and 4 play together, and the 5 is the winner. You can see the 2 and 6 are playing together, and after playing 1 has come up. That means the 1 is the winner in this up round. So you can see the upper half there is a 2 winners, and the lower half same way there is a 2 winners. In the second round, 1 and 5 will play together, the 5 is a winner. 6 and 8 play together, the 8 is a winner. So finally 5 and 8 has come in the final, and the 8 is a winner. Now we will talk about the consolation tournament. As you can see in the pictures, 3, 2, 7, 9, 4, they are the loser in the first round of the matches. Now among them only they are going to play the match. For them we are going to prepare the new fixtures. So as we know the fixtures, how many teams are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams. So among the 5 teams, new fixtures are going to be made. So we know the rules of the giving the bye. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. That means in this tournament 3 byes are given in the initial phase. So first bye goes to the 4 number, second bye goes to the bye third upper half, and third bye goes to the 9 number. So the bye will play in the first round. First of all 2 and 7 are going to play the match, and 7 is a winner. Now the bye is given to the team 3, bye and 7 is playing, so 7 become a winner. 9 and 4 is playing together, so 9 become a winner, and 7 and 9 are going to play the match among themselves, and who becomes 7 become a winner. So this is called a consolation tournament winner type 1. Now we will talk about the type 2. The consolation tournament type 2, the same team we have taken in the example. Total number of team is 9, upper half and the lower half as we have decided, the same way we have to decide. By whatever the numbers are given, the by has given already. You can see in the second type of consolation tournament, you can see how many teams are going to play. The first round losers are here, second round also here, third round also here. So the first, second, third, fourth round losers, they are going to play the matches among themselves, and the finally one has come to the winner of the consolation tournament type 2. You can see in the consolation matches, as we have discussed in the type 1, till here the type 1 tournaments are there. So 8 is the winner. So 8 is the winner in the main tournament. Okay. So finally here we can say the loser is who? Who is the loser? The 5 is the loser. The 5 is here. Okay. So this side 7 is the loser, and 7 come up to the semi-final. 7 and 9 has played the semi-final. 7 become winner. 7 and the 5 are going to play each other, and finally the winner is 5. So consolation tournaments, we can see that these two types. Always remember one thing in these two types of tournament. You can see in the type 1, the only first round eliminated teams are going to be play among themselves. In the type 2, those who are losing the first round, second round, third round, they will play among themselves. For them there will be a separate fixtures. According to that only they are going to play the matches, and the separate winner is given to the consolation tournament. Now, seeding methods. What is called seeding? to avoid the strong teams competing with each other in the initial rounds. As we know, if the good teams are put in the first round, the one will be lose the match and they will not get the chance to play in the second round. So always the good teams to be avoided in a initial round. Second, strong teams based on their previous performance are selected to keep at the appropriate place in the fixtures. Third point, generally all the seeded teams are in the power of 2, like 2, 4, 8, 16 etc. Now, where we have to give the seeding. You can see in the picture, the first seeding is given to the first seed is kept on the top of the upper half. Second seed is kept on the bottom of the lower half. Third seeding is kept on the bottom of the upper half. Fourth seed is kept on the top of the lower half, and so on. You can see in these pictures. The placing the seeded teams. You can see the seeding through these pictures. So, in these chapters we will talk about only consolation prizes. The next chapter we will talk about the seeding and their placing and their match fixtures. Thank you.